Welcome back to Make Money Monetizing. Today's Thursday, January 14th. Let's take a look at how our Cash Cow YouTube channel is doing today. So we're at 435,883 views in the last 28 days, 26,000 hours of watch time, 938 subscribers, and we're at $283.09 since we got monetized on December 24th. So we kind of had a little dip right here. That means we're going to go into the analytics, take a look at what keywords or what videos are producing the most revenue, and then double down on that. For those of you that have been following along, let's take a look at that video that we posted in the beginning of the year on January 4th. So as we see right here, we first posted the video on January 4th. We are now on day 10, hour 9, as we can see right here. And we have made $50.22. Not bad. Let's take a look at what that looks like in here. Okay. So suggested still at 13%. So we're gonna double down, definitely double down on this keyword. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right now so you can follow along and see how this Cash Cow YouTube channel performs in 2021.